Question 3 on our truck build Q&A series is from Kerry, and it says, is there somewhere to sit and eat, or do you just sit outside? Well, we have a couple of options, Kerry. We're not big sitters, but the first one is you can sit and eat at my computer table, which it's in use at the moment, but you can definitely sit here and use it like a dining table. 9 times out of 10, you'll catch us sitting out here to eat our meals. We also do sit from time to time on the couch and eat. Not very often, but we do. And then we're really bad for, like, we'll sometimes eat dinner in bed while we're watching TV. So we'll just prop ourselves up on the bed and eat and watch dinner or have a little late night snacky. But yeah, you could eat here at my table and chairs at my desk. But mostly we do eat outside, enjoying the good weather, unless the weather's not so good.